Okay, so I just wanted to do this little video for all of my beginner crocheters that have popped up in my live and asking how to do a granny square. So this is me doing a slip knot. Make sure you're already following me on YouTube and you can see all of the basic stitches, okay? So I'm doing a slip knot. Make sure you tighten your yarn on your hook a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 4. This is the easy way to make a magic circle, okay? Or a magic ring. So you chain 4 and then you go to the first chain and you slip stitch into that first chain that you started from. And then next you're going to chain 1, 2, and 3. Keep your finger where that circle is because that's where we're going to have to insert our hook right here. So we're going to do a double crochet into that hook. We're going to do 2 double crochet into that circle, okay? And remember to keep your finger there until the circle is big enough so where you don't have to hold your finger there. All right, so I'm just trying to readjust. I'm sorry, you guys. All right, after you do the 2 double crochet, this is my second one I'm doing right now, you're going to chain 1, 2, and then you're going to do 3 double crochet into the ring. So that's 1 double crochet. I'm so sorry, you guys, that is out of frame. But like I said, go to my YouTube channel and review how to do a slip knot, how to do a chain, and how to do double crochet, and then you'll know how to do everything, okay? After that, we're going to chain 2 again, and then we're going to do 3 more double crochet. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then we have our 3rd double crochet. All right, and then guess it, you guessed right, chain 2, and we're going to do our last 3 double crochet into the ring. This is going, you're going to see your square start to form. So that's the 2nd double crochet and the 3rd. All right, after that, I'm counting that, I'm making sure that I have 4 clusters. And then after that, I pull my string where we created our circle. I pull it tight as I can to close the circle. And then I go into the very first stitch that we made and I slip stitch. I know you can't probably see it, but all you do is go in the very first stitch that you made and you slip stitch through. And that creates our square. Again, count all your clusters. You should have 4 clusters. All right, so now we're going to chain 2 again. Oh no. Honestly, I do this 2 different ways, okay? So you could chain 2 and start, put your 2 double crochet in that little hole that you see on the corner, like I'm doing right now. And I'm just showing you guys the second hole. But that's the first way you can do it. This is the second way you can do it. You can slip stitch. I'm about to show you guys. I'm counting my clusters, making sure I have 4, and then you can slip stitch to the next corner. Honestly, you guys, I do it both ways. I don't think it's a right or wrong. It both looks the same. So right now we're going to slip stitch to the next corner. You'll know the corner because that's where the holes are. Once we get there, we're going to chain 2. And then we're going to do 2 double crochet into that hole. All right. Then we're going to move to the next hole. And we're going to create our corner, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go in there with a double crochet, 3 double crochets, sorry you guys, 2 and 3. Now we're about to create our corner. So we're going to chain 2, And then we're going to put 3 more double crochets in the same space. So that's 1, 2, and 3. I will be posting a picture tutorial also, okay? I know, like, my camera, I got to get another camera, but everything's always out of range. All right, so now we're going to go straight to our next corner, and we're going to do 3 double crochet, 2, and then 3, and then we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and then we're going to do 3 more double crochet into the same space, okay? And 3. That's how we create corners. We're going to do the same thing on the last one. I'm going to meet you guys back to the beginning to show you what to do with the corner that we started, because remember, all we did was put 2 double crochet over there plus the chain 3. So I finished my third corner. My fourth corner, sorry, and I'm going back to my first corner, and what I'm going to do is just add 3 more double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3, and then we're going to chain 2 and slip stitch. All right, so I'm going to show you one more layer. You can go as big as you want, but you should get the gist of it. So in order to get it bigger, you do the same exact thing. So basically, we're going to slip stitch to the middle hole. That's right there. I'm about to show you. We're slip stitching to the middle hole. And then what we're going to do is we're going to chain. Oh, sorry guys, we're not going to chain it. We're going to do 3 double crochet in there. You can chain, y'all. It's not one way to do a granny square. I do it all different times of ways. So you put 3 double crochet right there, go to the next space, which is our corner space, and we're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. Again, you guys, I will post a picture tutorial, and then I'll post a video on how to make how to add different colors too, okay? So the bigger you want your square, you're just going to put a cluster of double crochets in each space, and on the corners you put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same spot. Okay, so I'm going to finish all the way to the end and show you guys the end result. I honestly don't know what I was doing right here. But I'm just showing you guys how you just go in the middle hole and you just do 3 double crochet. That's it. I'm going to finish the rest and show you guys the end result. And how you connect is you slip stitch. You slip stitch into that very first stitch. And that is how you create a granny square. A regular basic granny square. Hope you guys enjoy.
Find something to eat that they want, then you don't got to worry about cooking right now.
The food's all, I keep saying, I put the crock pot, the thing in the crock pot this morning. That means it's done.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah.